Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated steps for posting on X, the app formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you share your thoughts quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. You'll be greeted by your home screen, where you can see posts from people you follow and trending updates. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small icon, either a feather or a plus symbol inside a circle. This is the Compose button. Tap it to begin creating your post. Once you tap the Compose button, a text box labeled "What's Happening" will appear. This is where you type your message. Remember, posts on X are limited to 280 characters, including spaces and punctuation marks. If you're feeling creative, you can also add media such as photos, GIFs, or videos to enhance your post. After typing your message, take a moment to review it. Make sure it's clear and says exactly what you want to share with your audience. When you're ready to publish your update, simply tap the Post button. Your message will instantly go live for others to see and interact with. And that's it. Posting on X is as simple as 4 steps. Open the app, tap the Compose button, write your post, and hit Post. Now you're ready to share updates with the world. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick refresher on how to post on X. Happy posting!